but you say that that NGO has no link to the NGO which filed a PIL against your successor, Bikram Singh. You say there is no link between the two. Now you
Absolutely.
say, right, so you say, and let me take my line of questioning forward. You say this NGO's work is on record, but it actually isn't. Does it not strike you as odd?
No.
No, does it not strike you as odd? The common question will be...
It is on record, and it has been shown to this board of officers that has written this report.
General...
Let's be quite clear on this.
General, now, does it not strike you as odd that all of a sudden an NGO springs up, it picks up an old case related to Bikram Singh and files a PIL? After that PIL,
that is,
no, allow me to complete.
Ask this question, just a sec. You ask this question from that particular NGO. I've got nothing to do with that NGO, right? The army has got nothing to do with that NGO. If we had something to do with that NGO, we would have gone in a different stance altogether. Why did we have to stick to a stance of 2001?
So tell me.
Doesn't it strike you as odd?
No. So tell me, General, the counter question to you will be that if tomorrow it is proven, right, General, that there is some tangible, intangible link between these two NGOs, the one NGO to which you gave money and second NGO which filed a case against Bikram Singh, will you take back your words tonight?
I've got no clue as to where is the link.
Now, suppose there is a link which is established. Will you then say, I didn't know about this link?
Okay, Arnab, let me tell you a small story and tell the story to everybody else through you. The Emperor of Japan lost his poodle, right? He called everybody, FBI, etc., 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 and ultimately they told him, call the Indian police. The Indian police was called, went into the forest, and within an hour they were coming back. They said, what has happened? They said, we have found the poodle. They said, where is it? They said, it is walking behind us. There was an elephant. People said, that's an elephant. They said, nahi, usne kabool kar liya hai. Let's not get into all this. That tomorrow it will be proved, or tomorrow it can be proved anyway. You give me 5 people, I'll prove it to you.
How?
Well, what are we talking of?
How?
Tomorrow, your police can prove anything, Arnab. You give the police chance, it happens every day. Confessions can be extracted at any time. Let's not talk of it.
General, can I get one thing straight as we go through this line of questioning? Are you saying they're trying to fix you? Are you saying they're trying to fix you? Who is the they? You are saying this government's trying to fix you?
This report, I don't know. That question should be asked from the government. How is it that the 4 ministers suddenly jumped into this? They haven't read the report.
Which 4 ministers?
Suddenly you find 4 ministers giving statements. Oh, he's trying to topple the government. Oh, he's doing this. What are we talking of? I expect from a politician a certain amount of intelligence. And that intelligence is on how matters are run. You don't topple governments. Governments fall because of misgovernance. You don't require people to topple governments.
General, can I go to the other allegation with your permission, which pertains to the government of J&K? This is the one which you began with. Now, this technical support division has been accused of paying 1.19 crore to Ghulam Hassan Mir, presently Agriculture Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, to engineer a change of government in Jammu and Kashmir. You have defended Ghulam Hassan Mir as a nationalist politician, right? Now, some people will raise eyebrows over that. They'll say, on what basis is General VK Singh giving a character certificate to one man in the same government which he criticizes? They will say that the fact that you are calling him a nationalist politician confirms their suspicion that there's some hanky-panky which must have gone on between the both of you.
Arnab, if I call you a good journalist, people will doubt that also. So doubting Thomases will keep doubting till their eyes pop out. Let's not bother about them. Let's face facts. Go and ask anybody what is the character of Shri Ghulam Hassan Mir, the agricultural minister. He has been known to be taking up nationalist causes. He has been known to be a unifying factor, not a person who destabilizes. There are others in Kashmir, and let me assure you, with the years that I have served in Kashmir, I can tell you about each and every politician in Kashmir. Each and every politician, as to what is their character.
When you say Ghulam Hasan Mir is a nationalist politician, are you saying the others are not?
Absolutely. See, again, you are taking a journalistic line of black and white. It is never like that. I never said others are not or others are. I am only talking of one person, Ghulam Hasan Mir. We are only talking of him.
Was there any financial transaction, sir? Was there any, if I may just say very directly, and don't mind my asking you this, I'm asking you these questions because you're on TV tonight for the first time since that report. I am asking you, do you fear, suspect, worry that at some point of time there could be some financial transaction between the army division called TSD and one particular minister? Is there any such possibility, General V.K. Singh?
If such a possibility is there, I'm quite sure there must be reason for a particular transaction or number of transactions for a particular purpose to be done by this minister.
Why? Why would the army transfer money to a minister?
Army transfers money to all the ministers in J&K.
Army transfers money to the ministers in J&K?
Absolutely.
Please explain.
Because there are various things to be done.
No, what done?
The ministers have to do various things.
Like what?
There are so many things to be done as part of the stabilizing factor in Jammu and Kashmir, as part of the activities to be organized. There are times when you have to... Who funded the KPL? Let me tell you this. Did the government of J&K fund it? Did the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, how much money did he give to KPL? The army funded it. Why? What was the requirement for army to fund it? See, Kashmir is a different issue altogether. There are a lot of things which are done where you do a lot of youth work, where you do a lot of civic work, where you do a lot of work with the children. For all this, money is needed.
Why can't it be done officially?
Certain amount of money is given for these purposes. So where is the problem?
No, the problem is, once again, you can get your pace back. The problem is that I don't know where the money, you see, what you're saying is that, what you're saying first of all is something very major. You're saying that the army pays off in different ways to get different jobs done, almost all the ministers in the Jammu and Kashmir government. And hence, it's not surprising if...
Maybe not all the ministers, but there are certain ministers, there are certain people who are given a certain sum to do a particular job.
So I'm asking you,
and that job involves how to bring stability in the area.
So one thing,
matter is as simple as that.
So one step simple. Therefore, you know that. Tell me, therefore, when you were the army chief, through the TSD or elsewhere, you also knew that money was being routed to several ministers for different jobs?
Arnab, the chiefs of army staff do not do micromanagement. They only give a task. Okay? This task is given to various commanders, and the money is routed through various sources. Certain amount of it could be from perception management, certain amount of it could be from intelligence work. Various things are there. Certain amount of it could be from, let's say, the funds meant for other purposes where the civic action has to be taken.
Does that not amount to, if you don't mind my saying so, does that not amount to interference in the affairs of a civilian government?
I don't think so.
Why?
If a civilian government is unable to get the people together, and if you can assist them, mind my words, if you can assist them without making them feel that they have failed in their task, I think you are only helping a national cause.
But with or without the knowledge of the Chief Minister?
If the Chief Minister says he doesn't have knowledge, I don't have any words to describe it. Sorry.
No, one second. You're saying Omar Abdullah knew that money, if that money was being paid to his ministers, you're saying Omar Abdullah is aware?
If he doesn't know it, if he doesn't know it, then I don't have any words for him.
No,
if
explain.
as a chief minister you do not know this, then you are not running the state.
But why can't all these works which need to be done, why can't the money be paid directly by the chief minister? Surely the chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir is not short of funds.
Ask this from the central government, ask this from the government of J&K. Why is it that right from independence so much of money has gone to J&K? And yet, sadly, you find roads are still lacking. You find health services are still lacking. You find roads where if the women travel, it is worse than traveling on a footpath. Why?
So, but where do you draw the line?
There are villages where the transformers don't work.
So,
why?
What you're saying to me?
Ask the government of J&K.
What you're saying to me is very relevant. You are saying that there is good reason. If we paid money, it's good reason for good work. What I am saying to you, I am saying to you is that is the job of the civilian government, General V.K. Singh, and with greatest of respect to you, the Indian system is based upon that division between the army and the civilian government, that even if you have a large contingent of the army and large funds in Jammu and Kashmir, it does not allow you to pay money directly, because how do we draw the line between what is corruption and what is not?
In J&K, a lot of work is done to assist whichever government is there, from whichever party is there, to ensure that the people are kept together. It is to ensure that the army's work is reduced in terms of fighting. It is to ensure that the hearts and minds of people are one. Do you know the type of work army did when the earthquake came?
No. What if
Do you know the type of work which army did? So there are all kinds of things which are done.
What if I were to ask you, what if a minister were to take money from you, say Ghulam Hasan Mir, you paid him 1.19 crore, saying you do work which is going to help us, bring peace in Jammu and Kashmir, but that money was siphoned off?
I don't think so. We have systems in place by which we account for money. It is not like the central grants which go and disappear. It is the money which is accounted for. There are proper receipts, proper work evaluation.
Sir, you realize?
We ensure that the work that is given is done.
Sir, you realize, General V.K. Singh, and you know this, I have spoken to you for a long time. I have interviewed you after the Tatra scam, and I have, we have done stories, and you've done a lot of good work, and at one point of time there was a feeling that here's a person who is army chief who's also a whistleblower. But you realize the seriousness and the gravity of what you are admitting today, that the army and the army chief are aware of payments made to civilian ministers in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
It is nothing new. Please,
but nobody said it, sir. We don't know. No viewer on the news has heard it said before.
No, that is the problem. For the last so many years, since the independence of this country, this has been going on. This is a practice. This is a system to ensure that all the governments are helped. This is to ensure that measures are put into place which will bring harmony. It is to ensure that things are done which will bring the communities together. All this is being done.
So how does the defense minister know about it?
Nothing new.
No, does the defense minister know about it? Does the defense minister of India know about this?
Everybody would have known about it. It is not something which V.K. Singh invented.
Now, are you presuming this?
It is not something which V.K. Singh invented. Sorry.
Are you saying previous chiefs before you, J.J. Singh, all the other chiefs before you have known about it? From Sundarji to J.J. Singh?
I'm telling you right from independence time, I'm telling you. So it is not something which has been invented. It is not something which is new. It is not something which is suddenly fallen from the sky. It is an established practice as part of the civic actions of ours.
No, but civic actions don't mean funding ministers. On that, I have a, you can have, that's going to be controversial.
Funding minister, no, just a sec. Funding minister means what?